Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub is here. One fine morning after appearing in IELTS exam, after 10 working days, you wake up and then suddenly someone tells you today is the result day. You log on to their website, your candidate number and credentials you enter. By the time the result appears in front of you on the screen and the result goes like this: listening 7. For example, this happened with one of my students. Reading 6.5, writing 5.5 and speaking 6. And you are like this. You don't know what to do. 5.5 in one module means Canadian Embassy will not accept it, Australian High Commission will not accept it, even for UK, if you go for a good university, they're not going to accept it. And then you start thinking half band less. Should I go for IELTS test again? And when you go for IELTS test again, where you get 7, they might give you 6 or 5.5 there as well. This has happened with some of my students. Speaking 7, writing 5.5. Second time, writing 6.5, speaking 5.5. So, these type of surprises are often given by IELTS. Now, he didn't know what to do and he had watched my video on EOR. So, he decided to go for EOR. What is EOR? Inquiry on results. I have made this wonderful message. There are 12 to 13 things which you have to consider before you apply for EOR. EOR has some fee. They charge you heavily for that. And as a result of EOR, if your band score changes, they return your money. If the band score remains same, your money is gone. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now, anyways, this student of mine, he decided to take the risk. His listening band score remained unchanged. That was 7. And by the way, EOR fee is same. Whether you apply EOR on one module or 4 modules. Never apply EOR on listening and reading because there are no chances of increment. Although in my whole career, I have seen one student who got half band increment in listening also. But otherwise, listening, reading band score never changes. After that, his reading band score remained unchanged. Writing band score changed from 5.5 to 6. And then he actually fulfilled the requirement of not less than 6. His band score now is listening 7, reading 6.5, writing 6, speaking 6, and overall band score 6.5. With this result, he can go to any embassy and he can apply for visa and he'll get the visa as well. So guys, sometimes it's EOR that saves you the trouble of appearing in IELTS test again. All the best. If you need that message, WhatsApp numbers are given. You can contact any of these numbers and we will send you that EOR message. You can consider those points if you want to apply for EOR. All the best, guys. Thank you very much. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.